Just got another great question today about, does natural bra reduce the size of my breast? The answer is yes, in that I am removing excess skin from your breast. If you think about it, once you've had your breast has fallen, right? Let's look at the profile of the breast, right? The nipple areola complex is sitting on the bottom portion of the breast. Most of the breast tissue has fallen and sitting on the sort of the lower third of the breast, and even the nipple could be on the lower or even pointing down to the floor, right? So what I'm doing is essentially moving all of this breast tissue up here. Now what happens is, as this rotates up, it's gonna feel like you've lost everything, although you really haven't lost anything. It's just things got flipped from being on the bottom to being on the top. So the fullness is now sitting on the top. And what happens is, a lot of patients are like, oh my God, I'm missing everything on the bottom portion of my breast. And my reminder is, well, it used to sit low and it used to sit on your abdomen. Now it's being filling up the top of your chest. The most important part about that is that you have much less issues with neck pain, back pain, because you don't have things hanging down. Why is that? Well, I'm using the natural bra technique that we've developed to create an internal control that holds this breast tissue up. Right, so this is now the weight of the breast is being held by the internal hammock that we've built on your chest wall, while the weight of the breast is being supported there. Now, for some of our patients that have asymmetry or size needs, we will add fat grafting to be able to get better symmetry between the two sides, as well as to give a little bit better projection in the upper pole and the cleavage. However, that doesn't give you better projection. It gives you better symmetry for the upper pole fullness, but not projection. If you're interested in projection, then I always recommend that you go with an implant. Hopefully that makes sense, and happy to answer any more questions that you may have.